Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to log out of your LinkedIn account. This is a simple but essential task, especially if you're using a shared computer or just want to ensure your account stays secure when you're done browsing. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Enter your email address and password in the appropriate fields, then click the Sign In button to access your LinkedIn homepage. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where your profile picture is displayed, serving as a gateway to your account settings and various options. Click on your profile picture to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains several important features related to your account management and preferences. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Sign Out. It's typically positioned towards the bottom of the menu, making it easy to locate. Click on Sign Out to immediately disconnect from your LinkedIn account. This action will log you out and redirect you to the LinkedIn login page, confirming that you've successfully signed out. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your LinkedIn account. This ensures that no one else can access your profile or messages if they use the same device after you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.